Morning. How's everybody on this Sunday? Just got out of church. Not feeling very well today. I'm sick at my stomach. Have been for all night. Didn't sleep very well. Got an achy, crampy stomach. I think it's some medicine that I've been taking a stronger dose of, and it's just really tearing my stomach up. So I'm gonna cut the medication down again like I was, and I'm not gonna take it for a few days to get my stomach back in the right order. And I'm gonna call the doctor this week and tell him about it. Good to see Brian back. Welcome back, Brian. Good to see your ugly mug back on here. And see you changed your name. I'm still going to call you OMV. Don't like it? Tough. That's the way I am. I speak my mind, as Rav says. I'm bold. Cloudy, misty day. It's everything's wet. So cold. I got home, got out of my monkey suit, and got into some warmer clothes, and so yeah, it's getting colder weather. I don't like cold weather. I hate cold weather. I like it where it's warm. Makes me want to move back to Mexico where it's warm. God, it's warmer in Arkansas than it is here. It's except, you know, yeah, it might be warmer in Arkansas, but they also have humidity, which makes it feel colder in the wintertime. So they get more snow than we get. Isn't that something? I'm further north, but where I'm from, they get more snow per year than we do. That's what I live in the desert part of Idaho. We do get a snow every once in a while. What was it, 3 years ago? 2 years ago. We had a massive snowstorm come through. We had 13 inches of snow, which is a lot for here. Nobody went anywhere. You had to dig your cars out and everything. So, that was a lot of friggin' snow. I was worried about the roof. But last year we had an inch total, something like that. The rest of the time it was like this, rainy. When it did come through, it was warm enough. If it snowed, it'd melt right away. So, lucky there. I don't know what it's going to be this year. Just wait and see. Be kind of interesting though if the predictions are true that the Earth turns upside down. The Earth flips upside down, and the southern hemisphere, like Australia, South Africa, down in there, they're having their summer. So we're going to go from snowy, cold to 100-degree temps in a matter of hours. Oh, that would be something, wouldn't it? Wouldn't be able to no longer see the northern, the Big Dipper and Little Dipper. Because that's in the northern hemisphere, you see that. You can't see that in the southern. Be interesting, wouldn't it? So, well, that would be heck of a... I guess, do you hold on to something when that happens? Who knows? That would be an awesome ride though, wouldn't it? Scare the crap out of everybody. Getting cold weather, then it gets real warm weather. Massive floods. Is there snow on the ground? Yeah. But half the summer's already over. We wouldn't get a long summer, would we? So, yeah, difference. That would be different. Who knows? Can you imagine if the Earth tilted on its side and started rotating on its side like, what is that one planet that does that? I'm not going to say that because I had to delete Joe's comment on that. He had a nasty word on there that I didn't like, so, but can you imagine rotating that way, sideways? So it would get cold, warm, cold, warm, cold, warm, you know, rotating this way, you know. That would be odd. So maybe daytime would be warm, nighttime would be cold. So, wouldn't get very much sunlight, would you? Very many hours of sunlight. Till summertime, then you get summer all the time, or daylight all the time like Alaska does. They're that far north. 6 months of daylight, 6 months of darkness. Ugh. I told my sister when she lived up here, I said, how you can stand it. 6 months of darkness and then 6 months of daylight during the summer. Yet when it's daylight in the summertime, it goes dark, or twilight, then sun comes back up again. And in the winter time it gets twilight and then goes back dark again. You know, minus 50 degrees, that's cold. That's Fahrenheit. Minus 50 Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's cold, brother. Very cold. I got tickled at her one time. She came to Arkansas and brought her coat. We don't get that cold here. It looked like it was this thick, you know. And gang, I'm going to call the video good today. Hope you guys get to listen to the radio show today. Today's going to be the question and the answer. You'll need to email that back to me at knapradio, all one word, at hotmail.com. In other words, Rab. Why do I have difficulty saying that name? Rab, Big Rab has that's the way he could win it. He could listen to the show and win it that way. But 3 o'clock Mountain Time. I don't know what that is, UK time or Greenwich Mean Time now, since you guys turned your clocks back. So I'll have to turn on the ham radio to listen to see what time it is over there, because now we have the atomic clock is set at your time zone. So, because it comes on there, it says Greenwich Mean Time. So, guys, have a good one. God bless you all. Be careful in the Northeast, fellas. It's gonna be a bad one.